Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. My name is Bob, and today we'll be talking about Tesla's biggest competitors, Nikola versus Nio. So when you think about the iconic American manufacturers of cars, you generally think of Ford, General Motors, and Dodge and Jeep. All of these manufacturers are investing a ton of money in the research and development of electric cars. Ford is coming out with an all-electric SUV, and it's going to be called the Mustang Mach-E. General Motors is coming out with an all-electric delivery vans as well. For General Motors, this is supposedly the one out of 20 new electric vehicles they're working on currently, and they all plan on introducing them to the 2023 market. With all of these iconic car manufacturers investing all of their money in the electric car game, Tesla is still the biggest player in the electric car market. Elon Musk and his team has been working on Tesla cars ever since this company was created back in 2003. So, in other words, they've been trying to make Tesla more efficient and advanced for about 17 years now. While these iconic car manufacturers are a little too late to the electric autonomous party. Everyone should know what Tesla offers. Tesla is an autonomous electric car manufacturer based in California. The face of the company is the co-founder, Elon Musk. Elon Musk is very well liked by most Tesla investors. And for some investors, they only invest in Tesla just because of Elon Musk. Elon Musk doesn't just run Tesla, he also helps run and operate SpaceX, the Boring Company, and the Neuralink. He is an extremely intelligent man, but he is outspoken. Some of the tweets he has been tweeting on Twitter has negatively affected Tesla's stock price. Tesla offers many different cars. They have the Model S, X, Y, and the Model 3. The least expensive Tesla that they offer is the Model 3, and the MSRP runs generally about $38,000. The drive range is pretty short, with it only being 250 miles on a full charge. The Model Y is the next cheapest option. The Model Y MSRP is around $50,000, and the drive range is up to 300 miles on a full charge. The Model S is one of the sports cars that Tesla has produced. It will go from 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds. The drive range for that vehicle is about 390 miles, and an MSRP is for $80,000. The last model and the most expensive car that Tesla produces is the Tesla X. The Model X is a luxurious SUV, and it's known for the Falcon wing doors. Model X's driving range is 351 miles, and it only takes 15 minutes to fully charge. Also, this MSRP is for $85,000. Now let's talk about Tesla's stock. Tesla's stock price is currently at $949 a share. Tesla's shares have been very volatile, and this year has been no exception. In March, their stock dropped all the way to $361 a share from $900 a month prior. So, if you would have bought shares in March and up to currently now at $900 a share, you would have tripled your original investment. With that being said though, Tesla does have current competition. The company names are Nio and the Nikola Corporation. We will start with Nio. Nio is a Chinese car manufacturer based in Shanghai, and they were founded in 2014. Nio was formerly known as Next EV until they changed their name back in 2017 to Nio. They specialize in developing, designing, and manufacturing electric cars just like Tesla. This company offers 5, 6, and 7-seater SUVs. They also manufacture their own car batteries. Nio offers 3 different SUV models. They offer the ES6, they offer the EC6, and they also offer the ES8. The Nio ES8 is a 7-seater SUV performance vehicle. It will drive from 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds, and the drive range on the battery is 350 miles. The Model ES6 drive range is 379 miles, and it will just take 4.7 seconds from 0 to 60. Lastly, the EC6 is just a 2-door SUV. The drive range is 382 miles on a full charge, and it will go 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Nio went public back in 2018 at the New York Stock Exchange. Nio's stock ticker symbol is NIO. Just like Tesla's stock, Nio's stock has experienced many ups and downs. So just back in March, Nio's stock dropped down to $2.37 a share. Currently, the stock price is at $5.97 a share. Nio still has not turned a profit yet. In my eyes, I believe this stock is a pretty risky stock. For right now, I am personally staying away from this stock. On to the next competitor for Tesla. They are called the Nikola Corporation. Nikola manufactures and designs electric vehicles. The vehicles they are designing and trying to produce are semi-trucks and also powersport vehicles. They were founded back in 2015 and they are based in Arizona. Nikola's ultimate goal is to become the Tesla of semi-trucks. Nikola is currently designing these semi-trucks and they're hoping to have these out on the road by 2021. Nikola's different models of semi-trucks are Nikola 1, Nikola 2, Nikola Tre, and lastly, the Nikola Badger. The drive ranges are between 500 miles and 750 miles, and it's only going to take between 10 to 15 minutes to fully charge. And the craziest thing about this all is that it's going to offer 0 emissions. Like I mentioned before, Nikola offers powersport vehicles, and they offer 3 different styles. They call them the NZT, Reckless, and Wave. The Nikola NZT is the off-roading vehicle, and it's designed just like a Polaris RZR or a Can-Am Commander is. It has up to 150 mile drive range, and the horsepower is around 600. And it will go 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds. And lastly, the Wave is basically an electric jet ski. There's still very little information about all of these off-roading vehicles. I think their main focus will be on the semi-trucks. Nikola just recently went public with their IPO last week, and it was priced at $37 a share. And today, the stock exploded 103% today to $73 a share. I feel like they'll have a long process on becoming profitable, and I personally try not to invest in unprofitable companies. It's a little too early for me to invest in this stock, but with that being said, this could be the next Tesla stock. Even though they are both direct competitors for Tesla, I don't think Tesla will be affected neither by Nio or Nikola. Leave me a comment and let me know if you think either of these companies I mentioned today will affect Tesla. I hope I informed you all about these 2 different electric car manufacturers. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.